So we are going through the portion median. Median in individual series and discrete series. You have done. Individual series. What is the equation of finding out median in the individual series? Bhumi. Bhumi J.
N plus 1 by 2 the term.
N plus 1 by 2 as item, right? Okay. So that particular position. So you will come to know the position of the median. So of that position, in that position, which particular number lies, that number is the median. Then in the case of discrete series, what is the difference? Vaishnavi Bhargav, you will explain. How will
Yes,
you
ma'am.
find out?
Ma'am, in discrete series, we have to find the CF.
Say cumulative frequency. Then
Then, ma'am, we have to put the values in the formula.
values, formula. Okay, what is the formula?
Size of n plus 1 upon 2 item.
Okay,
Then
then
after
you
solving,
will get, okay, you will get which was the position of the median. Then what
yes,
you will do?
then ma'am, we have to select the select the position of the means which we have find. So we will get the
How
median.
will you select? From where
Ma'am,
you
after
can know?
when we solve the whole question, then we get the position. Position. Uh, Fine.
Position from the cumulative frequency distribution, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Then that particular position, you have to choose the item that is X, that is the median. Okay. So how many questions you have done so far?
Ma'am, 3.
3 questions. Okay. So today we will do few more questions and of continuous series. Okay. 1 minute. Can you read the last question you did?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
read it.
x was given 5, 6, 8, 4, 7, 9, 10. Then
Mhm.
frequency was given 4, 3, 2, 5, 6, 6, 9. We have to rearrange it and then we find the median.
Okay, okay, okay. Next, you write the heading. Write the heading, continuous series. I will send a few more problems for the discrete series for practice that you will do with the answer. Okay. With the answer means with the final answer I will send. It's now we will move to continuous series. Right? Continuous series. First of all, write question 0 to 10. 10 to 20. 20 to 30. 30 to 40. And 40 to 50. And 40 to 50. And the number of workers are 22, 38, 46, 35, and 20. I repeat the frequencies 22, 38, 46, 35, and 20. So this is a continuous class. Kushak, I hope you have written the question.
Ma'am, 85 or 35.
Ma'am, can you tell the frequency, the last two frequencies?
I repeat from the beginning: 22, 38, 46, 35, and 20. Okay, Samba?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it now? So the difference in this case is, the equation is median is equal to size of n by 2th item, and plus 1 is not there. Okay, just write the equation. Median is equal to median is equal to n by 2th, size of n by 2th item. What is n? N in this case, what is n? What is n in this case? N is equal to
Sum of frequency.
Yeah, right? N is equal to sigma f. N is equal to sigma f. Can you do the question now? Can you do the question? So first of all, what you have to do? You have to write, yeah, median is equal to the size of n by 2th item. So you will get the size of the class here. Here you have a class. Suppose you are getting the class 10 to 20 as the median. There are the numbers like 10, 11, 10 numbers are there. So from that class, you have to find out the actual frequency, a particular number. So for that, again, you have to, have another equation. First of all, you write median is equal to size of n by 2th item. Median, can you see my board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. Median is equal to size of n by 2th item. Please remember, in the case of continuous series, it is only n. There is no n plus 1. Size of n by 2th item. What is sigma f in this case? Write it in the proper order. Here you will write n is equal to sigma f. N is equal to sigma f. Yeah, what is n?
161.
161. Sigma f is equal to 161. Therefore, median is equal to 161 upon 2th item. That means which item?
8.5.
Sorry,
80.5.
80.5.
80.5 item.
Every time I need not say you have to change the frequency into cumulative frequency, right? So first of all, in an order, you will write the class, then write the frequency given, and then the next column must be cumulative frequency. So for calculating the median, the things you have to bear in mind always is, first of all, you have to put it in the order, either in the ascending or descending order. So first of all, you have to check that, is the numbers given in order? In this case, okay, it is a continuous series given very much in order, so you don't want to worry about the order. So next, what is the second step? Second step is frequency. The normal frequency is to be converted into cumulative frequency. Correct? So do those 3 columns. First of all, you write the class, then write the normal frequency, then convert it into the cumulative frequency. Convert it into the cumulative frequency. Then find out 80.5 comes in which particular cumulative frequency. 80.5 will come in which particular cumulative frequency, you just find out. So I'm just clearing this frame because now I hope you know how to find out n by 12th item. Okay, so now I'm writing the class 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. Kushak,
Yes, ma'am.
yesterday you were there in the class?
Yesterday, ma'am, आपके क्लास में इनविटेशन नहीं आया था मैम.
What?
Yes,
क्या नहीं
ma'am.
आया था?
मैंने 1:30 पे चेक किया था तब आपका इनविटेशन नहीं आया था.
Oh, how is it possible, beta? The invitation goes to the class in a bunch. Like how can it? How bulk it?
Ma'am,
How can it be possible? Yeah.
मैम 1:30 पे चेक किया था मैंने तब तो आपका इनविटेशन था नहीं उसमें. उसमें सिर्फ गुप्ता सर की क्लास का था और उनका था इंग्लिश.
So if in such a case you have to call me or you have to ask, na beta. Yesterday's class. Yesterday means what I
हमारा
meant.
थॉट कि आप आज क्लास में ले रहे हो.
Sorry.
हमारा थॉट कि आप उस दिन कल क्लास में ले रहे हो.
So it will not happen like an invitation is not reaching to a particular student. So in such a case, you have to check why it is happening. And one day, if you receive the invitation, it should reach
Okay,
to
ma'am.
every day.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And
Then
if
next
in
time
case
I'll
of
cross check.
yeah, in case of such a problem, you have to convey the thing. Otherwise, how can it be rectified?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
So yesterday we have started the median. We did individual series and discrete series, and this we are doing with a continuous series. Okay. So here we are given the class, and this is the actual frequency distribution. You have to change it into the cumulative frequency distribution to know the position. So this much you have to do. This I am repeating for the absentees, those who were not present yesterday. Okay, so this is the class, this is the actual frequency given. So the third one, you have to make a cumulative frequency distribution. And here you have seen that the size of which item M you got as 80.5 item, 80.5 fifth item. That is what you got. And this 80.5 will come under which one? You just tell me which one it will come under.
20 to 30.
20 to 30.
20 to 30.
Very good, because it will come under this particular frequency. See, under this cumulative frequency, it will come. See, this here it is still 22, here it is still 60. Then 60 se leke 106 tak, it will come in this particular class. From 60 till 60 it is there. No, so from 61 to 106 it will come here. So that means it will come in this particular class. So your median class is 20 to 30. Okay, I will just encirculate this class is 20 to 30 because your cumulative frequency is 80.5. So here, what is your median? Your median, you can only say it's a value which between 20 to 30. It's a value which is in between 20 to 30. You are not here, you are not getting a particular value. So you have to apply another formula to find out the median value. So this is the another extension to the continuous class, because in the discrete series and individual series, you used to get the answer straight away from here. And in this case of continuous series, you won't get the straight away answer, because here you will get only a class that is 10 numbers together. You have to find out which particular number will be treated as the median. So you have to apply the formula, write the formula. M is equal to L1 plus L1 plus n by 2 n by 2 minus CF upon F into I. So this formula you have to keep in mind. In the case of continuous series, you have to find the actual number. L1, you just write the expansion of all these things. What is L1? L1 is the lower limit of the median class. L1 is equal to lower limit of the median class. What is the lower limit of the median class in this particular case?
20.
20.
Very good. Because
20.
Because your median class in this case is 20 to 30. Your median class is 20 to 30. So the lower limit of the median class, I'm just writing M class. You just write median class. What is N by 2? N by 2 is this, 80.5. You have already here calculated 80.5th item. Okay, that is N by 2. Okay, N by 2 means here it is 80.5. Then the next is cumulative frequency. Here, please remember, cumulative frequency here denotes the cumulative frequency of the class preceding to the median class. I repeat, cumulative frequency of not the median class, cumulative frequency of the class preceding to the median class, that is taken here. Cumulative frequency of the class preceding to the median class. So right here, cumulative frequency means CF of the class preceding to the median class. To the median class. Or median class, or else you can write median group, whatever. I think you understood the this one. So in this case, what will be the CF? This one. This one is the CF that you have to apply, proceeding to the median group. And F here means the frequency of the median class itself. The frequency of the median class itself. So in this case, this is the CF and this is, whatever is the F? Okay, this is the F. This is the F. That means frequency of the median class itself. Okay, so this is the frequency of the median group. That is F. And what can be I? What will be I? I is the class.
Classes.
Yeah, that means class difference. I is the class difference. So if you understand these two equations and this interpolated formula from which we can find out the median, it is nothing. It will be the same everywhere. You have to just apply it. So you will be given a class, will be given a frequency. Then first of all, you have to change the frequency distribution into cumulative frequency distribution. After that, you have to find out which is the median class. To find out the median class, you have to apply the formula n by 2th item, size of n by 2th item. So when you apply that, you will get the median class. So once you get the median class, now you have to find the particular number, the median. So for that, you will apply the formula n1 plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into I, where L1 means lower limit of the median class. N by 2, you know that is M, that is the size of the median class. Size of the median class, that is n by 2, minus cumulative frequency is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding to the median class. And F is the actual frequency of the median class into I, that is the class difference. So if you apply the formula, apply the numbers or substitute the numbers in this formula, you will get a particular value, which is the median. That value will be between 20 to 30 because in that group it will fall. Find out the value.
I'm 204.
Sorry? Beta, this
Ma'am,
L1
24.46.
24.46 must be the answer. And 2 point will not come better. Who said something like it will be between 20 to 30? So you just write these things. Okay, let me clear the board. Take your time, understand it and do it. Because you understand to do one particular question, then your continuous class, whatever question you will get, you can do it. Isn't it? So take your time. If you know to understand, if you understand this particular sum, any particular class, you can do the median. Remember the formula, that's all. Just remember it is n by 2 and L1 plus n by 2 minus CF upon n P into I.
4.45.
And repeat.
24.45.
Okay. Let me see what is the lower limit. Chaitanya, are you there?
Ma'am, 24.45.
Okay. Chaitanya, are you there? Is Chaitanya there?
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो बेटा कैसे सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है बताओ. बोलो आगे. Look at my board and guide me. अभी क्या लिखूं मैं? What should I write now?
Total upon 2.
Here, what should I write? For CF, what should I write?
60.
Instead of CF, 60. Okay, good. Then, upon F, what should I write?
46.
46. Into I, what should I write?
10.
Okay. Then again, I will always keep this 20 plus separate. Then here, what should I write? 80.5 minus 60. 80.5 minus 60 is 20.5 upon 46 into 10. Always keep this separate. Finally, you add it with 20. Okay. So how much it will come? Is it 4.46?
Ma'am,
Yes,
4.45.
4 point can be round up to 4.46, na? 20 plus. Always keep this apart. This you should solve first. Then you should be added to this. Okay, Chaitanya? Got the answer? Tushar? Tushar, did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So I hope now when if I give the next question, you will do it in 2 minutes, right?
No, ma'am, not in 2 minutes, ma'am. Ma'am, I faced some difficulty in finding the M.
Finding M, that is n by 2th item. N by 2th item. What is n sigma f? You just take the sum of frequency, that is n. Then n by 2th item, that is n by 2th item is actually the median class. Okay, median class. That is n by 2. Okay, write the next question. Let us see. Write the question. 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and 70 to 80. Do it neatly in order. Right here, marks. Here it is, marks. Next, number of students. Number of students. Till what? 70 to 80. Okay? Till 70 to 80. Okay, the number I'm reading 42. Number of workers 42, 38, 120, 84, 48, 36, and 31. Yeah, your question is over. Calculate the median marks. Calculate the median marks secured by the students. I am doing something on the board. Can you see my board?
Ma'am, one frequency is missing.
Yes, ma'am.
How it up? 42, 38, 120, 84, 48, 36, 31.
Ma'am, there are 8 classes, but the frequencies are only 7.
Is it?
Ma'am.
Let me check. 42,
No, ma'am.
38, 120, 84, 48, 36, and 31. $60 to 70 until only 70 to 80. 60 to 70 and 70 to 80. Okay, only this much classes. Okay now? Just check once again where you have gone wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and 70 to 80. Question is okay. Just check where you have gone wrong. Okay, Kusha, guide me. What should I do now?
Ma'am, we have to write the 42 minus 38. That's 4.
हाँ, बस बोलो कितना? What should I write
4.
here?
Okay, ma'am, we have to write now here 42 plus 4, that is
42
46.
plus 4.
Oh, sorry, ma'am, minus 4. That's 30.
We have to calculate cumulative frequency, beta. We are given the frequency here. We are given the frequency. This is the frequency, and you have to calculate the cumulative frequency. I think you are confused between cumulative frequency and frequency. Earlier, you used to get cumulative frequency. From that, you used to, convert it into frequency. Now, the frequency is given. You have to find out the cumulative frequency. That means you have to add it up. Okay, Kushak?
Okay, ma'am.
बेटा पहले क्या होता था? You were given a cumulative series. Cumulative series में cumulative frequency देगा, उसमें से we had to convert it into normal frequency. Then what you used to do? Exactly like a 42 minus 38, 38 minus, so यहाँ पर तो actually you cannot do because it's not cumulative frequency. So this minus this minus this you used to do in that case. Now it is reverse here. You are given the frequency, you have to cumulate it, means add
So,
it
ma'am,
up.
next year is 34.
So now it is 42 and 42 plus 38 is?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
And my answer
80.
is 39.9.
Wait, beta, I will check. Okay. Shivam, I will check. Okay, 42, then 42 plus 38, 80, 80 plus 120, बोलो 200, इसको cumulate करके जाना है. 200 plus 84, 284, cumulative frequency, add up the frequency. 284 plus 48, 332. 332. 332 plus 36, 368. 368. 368 plus 31. So 99. 399. 399. Is this the cumulative frequency distribution, Shiva?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
So that
ma'am.
means this total, always do the cross checking. How can you do the cross checking? You find this total that should be equal to this, the last cumulative frequency. Last cumulative frequency means the added up frequency. If you add all these things, this will come at the end, isn't it? So the total of this and this, if it changes, you just understand you have gone somewhere wrong in the calculation. So in this case, n is equal to 399. So size of n by 2th item, that means that 399 by 2th item. Size of, just right here, size of. Okay, so that is how much?
199.5.
199.5 item. Tushar, are you with me? Are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so 199.5th item. Then when you get this particular 199.5th item, you have to check the cumulative frequency distribution, in which particular cumulative frequency this will be included.
200.
It will be included in this because here it is still 42, here it is still 80. 80 is like a 200 tak, it is included in this particular cumulative frequency, isn't it? So which is your median class? This
30 to 40.
is your median class. This is your median class. So you can just write it here. Your median class is equal to, your median class or group is equal to what? 30 to 40. Is anyone has any difficulty in finding out the median class? Please ask me now. This is the size of the class. This is 199.5 size of the class you have got here. How will you find out which is the class? You just check the cumulative frequency distribution. Cumulative frequency may you just have to find out this particular number comes in which particular class. इसमें तो नहीं है because only 42 till 42. इसमें वो खाली 80 तक है. So that means in the next particular class it will come. That is 200. Here it will come. So this will be the model class. If anyone has any doubt, please ask. Okay. Now you have the class, the median class. Now after that you have to apply the formula n1 plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency CF upon F into I. What is L1? Lower limit. What is L1?
30.
Lower limit of the median class. चलो यहाँ पर लिखा है हमने median class. Lower limit of the median class, isn't it? So that is median is equal to 30 plus n by 2 कितना मिला है? 199.5. 199 point. What is CF in this case? Wait,
80.
Divya.
80.
80.
Divya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो बेटा CF क्या मिलेगा?
80.
Why? What is CF in this case?
From the preceding one.
Okay, the cumulative frequency of the class which is preceding the model class or the median class. Okay, good. Then, okay, so what should I write here? Minus 80. Okay, Divya, guide me. Then what should I write here? Hammer में क्या लिखूं?
120.
Okay, what is 120? Frequency of the model class or the median class, sorry. Frequency of the median class, that is 120. Here it is 120. Now I just have to solve it, isn't it? You will just solve it, like always keep this 30 plus here. Solve it separately. What is 199.5 minus 80? कितना मिलेगा?
119.5.
119.5. 119.5 upon 120. Divya, I did some mistake here. You didn't say into I didn't put. Into what? I. That is 10 here in this. Into I. Now 199.5 minus. Okay, 199.5 minus 80 is how much? How much?
119.5.
119.5. That is upon 120 into 10. Kya mila? What is the number you got? 20 plus something. Sorry, 30 plus something. What is that something?
9.95.
Is it for all?
Yes.
All of you got that? So 30 plus 9.95. 95 ki 96?
95.
Ma'am, 95.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 96.
9,
approx 96.
9.95. 5 के बाद क्या मिला था? 5 के बाद if you got a number which is more than 1, make it
Ma'am,
6.
8.
Okay, if it is 8,
Ma'am,
you
8.
can move to 9.96. Okay, so 30.9.96 means 39.96. Shiva, answer बोला था ना same?
मैम संभव ने बोला था वो.
Sorry, Sambhav, you got the answer first, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 39.96. That is the answer. I hope now you understood this. Should I repeat?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Should I repeat?
No, ma'am.
Okay, good. So, इतना ही है continuous class में. If you get the continuous series, this way you have to do. Okay, the rest of the thing is the base things you know, because अगर ये exclusive series, inclusive series में आएगा, इसको exclusive series करना है, वो सब it's the same. Because in the case of median, you have to change the series into exclusive series if you are given an inclusive series. उसको change करना है. That you have already studied. That will not take, you will not face a problem in that. So rest of the things are the very same. Okay, but unlike in the case of arithmetic mean, if you get a series which is inclusive series, you have to convert it into exclusive series in this case. So that is the only change. All the other things, if you know these two equation like n by 2th item, you will get which class is that. Then you just apply the formula n1 plus n by 2 minus cf upon f into I. You can find out the median. So this is the median in continuous series. Okay. This is the median in continuous series, and I will send some questions for practice. Homework question.
Ma'am, attendance.
Okay, beta. Thank you. Wait.